Question 19 is 3 marks. It's a nice question. Let's read it. Kanika has 9 counters. They have these numbers on each of the counter. She puts the 9 counters in a bag. She takes at random a counter from the bag and doesn't replace the counter. This is important. She then takes a random second counter from the bag. Work out the probability that the sum of the numbers on the 2 counters is less than 5. If you want to try this, you can pause now. So, to answer this question, there are many different ways to do it. I'll do it the easiest way I can. Now, to get a sum less than 5, because that's what she said, she wants the sum to be less than 5. We can't take 5, 6, and 6. This is out of this question, so you don't need them. Now, we have these numbers. If we just take 1 in the first attempt, 1 can go with this, 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 or this, or that, right? Yes, because 1 plus 1 is 1. If we take 1 and 2, it's 3. 1 and 3 is 4. So for this first one, there are 5 ways to connect and get less than 10. Alright, so now for the second one here, we can take this one and that one. We can take this one and 2. We can take this one and 3. This one and this 3. This one and that 3. That's also 5 ways on which we can use this one. So it's another 5. That's good. Now, if we take the 2 can't go with 3 because 2 and 3 will make 5. So we don't want anything more than 5. The question says just less than 5. So this 2 can go with 1 and can go with that one. So how many are there? There are just 2. Alright, that's good. Now, let's look at the 3 now. This 3 can go with this one and this one. It can't go with 2. It can't go with 3 because then it will be more than 5, isn't it? So there are 2 ways for this specific 3. For this 3, there will also be 2 ways to choose, and for this 3, 2 ways to choose. So each 3 has 2 ways of choosing. So it's 6 attempts. Now if we add these, 5 plus 5 plus 2 plus 6, it gives you 18 tries. Then what's the total? 18 out of what? 18 out of, there are 9 counters. You can choose any of these 9 counters in the first attempt, which is 9. Now in the second attempt, whatever you take, you are not replacing the counter. So the second attempt, you will just have 8 counters to choose from. For example, in the first attempt, if we took this one, that one is gone because you are not replacing. So you will have 8 left. So it's going to be 9 times 8. And that's your answer. 18 divided by 72. How was it? Was it easy? Can you please try to do it using the tree diagram, and you can comment if you got it or not. And question 20.